Enable location in your browser. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. This video shows how to enable browser location so sites can know where you are. Got it? First, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Alright, I'm already in Chrome, okay? Enabling your location is simple, alright? I'm logged in Chrome. Click up here, okay? On these three dots at the top. Then click on Settings. In Settings, go to this side tab, okay? Choose the Privacy and Security option. Scroll down a bit, alright? Select Site Settings, the second last option. Site Settings, click it. Scroll down a little, okay? Click on the Location option. So, click on Location. Here you can enable or disable location. In my case, location is already enabled. If yours looks like this, okay? Just click this option to check it. Got it? That's all, folks. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. That's it for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.